welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to take you along on my journey to Dubai Harbour during sunset. Driving through the city, I was greeted by the stunning skyline of Dubai. The roads were smooth, and I enjoyed the views of the towering skyscrapers and modern architecture along the way. As I approached the harbour, the excitement built up with every passing moment. Upon arrival, I was captivated by the vibrant atmosphere. The harbour was bustling with activity, and the sight of luxury yachts against the backdrop of the sunset was simply breathtaking. I began my walking tour, soaking in the beauty of the waterfront and the stunning views of Air Dubai and the impressive buildings of Dubai Marina. Dubai Harbour was launched in 2019 to boost tourism and the maritime sector, featuring luxury yacht facilities and cruise ship terminals. As it's Ramadan time, Dubai Harbour showcases beautiful decorations with festive lights. As I walked along the waterfront, the sky transformed into a stunning canvas of oranges and pinks. The view of Ain Dubai, the world's tallest observation wheel, was breathtaking against the sunset backdrop. Dubai Marina, developed in the early 2000s, transformed a desert area into a vibrant waterfront community with residential towers, hotels, and entertainment options. Dubai Harbour features beautiful photo spots and cozy couples. It provides buggy service for visitors, making it easy to navigate the area. Surrounded by the impressive skyscrapers of Dubai Marine, I couldn't help but admire the sleek architecture reflecting the vibrant colors of the sky. The atmosphere was lively with people enjoying the views and taking photos. It was a magical moment, watching the sun dip between the horizon while the marina light up with sparkling lights. If you are in Dubai, make sure to visit the harbor for this unforgettable sunset experience.